Good morning, students. I hope all of you are fit and fine. Today we are going to continue with the lesson force and energy. Basically, we will be studying about energy and the types of energies. So, talking about energy, what is energy? It can be defined as ability to do the work that is called as energy. Let me highlight it. What is energy? The ability to do work is called energy. So, this is how you can define it. What are the types of energies? Mechanical energy, solar energy, geothermal energy, wind energy. There are actually a lot of different kinds of energy, but these are the main, you can say, types of energies. Mechanical energy, solar energy, geothermal energy, and wind energy. Then the next point is other types of energies. What are the other types of energy? It can be hydropower, or you can also call it as water energy. Then there is a heat energy, light energy, sound energy, electrical energy. So these are the other types of energies. Okay, there might be many more. Okay, but these are some types of energy that we can recall right now. Well, let us start with mechanical energy. What is mechanical energy? Mechanical energy is the energy possessed by the body due to its motion or due to its position. So, mechanical energy can either be due to the motion of an object or due to the position of the object. Mechanical energy, depending on the motion and position, they are divided into two types, which is kinetic energy, which is due to motion, and potential energy, which is due to position or the orientation of the object. So, talking about kinetic energy, energy of an object due to its movement is called kinetic energy. Suppose this boy is running from one point to another, then you will call it as kinetic energy. So, moving bicycle or a running boy like this one can be called as said to have a kinetic energy. Then comes the mechanical energy, which is another kind of mechanical energy, which is potential energy. So energy stored in a body due to its position is called as a potential energy. Okay, so due to position or due to orientation, you can say that energy that comes into the body is called as potential energy. So the good example of it is a water stored in a tank. So you might not feel the energy of the water stored in a tank, okay, but once you leave the water to flow, you will get to know its energy. Okay, so then potential energy will get converted to kinetic energy when it starts moving or when it starts flowing. Then comes solar energy. As you all know, solar energy is very important source of energy. Okay, the energy of the sun is called as solar energy. So whatever we receive from the sun can be classified as a solar energy. It can be used to cook food in solar cookers, heat water in solar heater. So these are few uses of solar energy. Also, there are solar calculators and solar watches which trap the solar energy and convert it into electronic energy. Then comes geothermal energy. So hot interior of the earth is another important source of energy. So we all know that inside the earth it is very hot, there is a molten lava, and because of that, if water is in contact with it, water also becomes hot, and this hot water can be used to run the turbines over here and hence generate electricity. So the hot interior of earth is another important source of energy which we call as geothermal energy. Okay, so this energy is called as geothermal energy. Then comes the wind energy. Moving air is called wind, and it has a power to move the things which we call as wind energy. Okay, so this ability, or you can say a power to move the things which wind possesses, is called as a wind energy. It is used to generate electricity by using a windmill. So you might have seen windmills in many places. In Maharashtra, in particularly Koina area, there are a lot of windmills. Also in other parts, there might be windmills. These windmills, they are huge structures which the fans of which rotate whenever there is a wind, and whenever there is wind, when they rotate, it runs the turbine, and turbine is connected to the generators. So this is how we can generate electricity. Then comes the heat energy. Energy that we get from the heat is called as a heat energy, produced by burning fuels like coal, LPG, kerosene, which forms a major part of the energy resource for us. Okay, so we use this energy to cook food in daily household places, or even in hotels and many other places. You will find the people using either LPG, kerosene, or even coal to generate heat, and hence use it for domestic purpose like cooking food. Then there is a light energy. Energy that we get from light is called as light energy. It can be anything. It can be a bulb, it can be LED, it can be candle also. So it can be produced by bulb, candle, etc. There are a lot of sources of light energy. We are able to see with the help of light energy. So the main purpose of light energy is to see the things. We are able to see the things because of light energy. Okay. Then comes the last part of the today's lesson, which is exercise. I hope you might have understood all the points. Okay, and all these questions are related to the points that we have discussed today. So the first one is ability to do work is called dash. Second, dash is the energy possessed by the body due to the motion or due to its position. Third, what are the different types of energy? So we have already discussed about it. And what is geothermal energy? And last one is explain solar energy. So all these questions please try to attempt. If you have any doubt, you can put your comments in comment box. So see you during next session with the new topic from the same lesson. Until then, take care. Bye bye.